Expert tips, truck maintenance guide, straight from mechanics. Tired of your truck acting like a stubborn mule? Does your engine sound like a chorus of kazoos? Buckle up, gearheads, because we're about to turn your trusty steed into a smooth-running stallion. Hey gearheads, grease monkeys, and weekend warriors. Welcome back to Car Computer Exchange, your one-stop shop for all things automotive. Today we're ditching the fancy sports cars and diving headfirst into the world of trucks. We're talking about the workhorses, the adventure mobiles, the companions that haul our gear and get us dirty, in the best way possible, of course. But let's face it, even the toughest trucks need some TLC. That's why we've teamed up with some expert mechanics to bring you the ultimate truck maintenance guide, straight from the wrenches of the pros. We're talking insider secrets, pro tips, and everything you need to keep your truck running like a champ for miles to come. So, whether you're a seasoned trucker or a newbie just getting started, this video is your roadmap to a happy, healthy truck and a happier wallet. Let's face it, trucks are the ultimate companions. They haul our gear, conquer off-road adventures, and become trusty extensions of ourselves. But even the most loyal truck needs some love to keep it running smoothly. That's where this guide comes in, packed with expert tips and tricks to transform your truck from a tired nag to a powerful stallion. Tire care, the foundation of a smooth ride. Your tires are the only things connecting your truck to the road, so keeping them in tip-top shape is crucial. Here's how. Inflation is key. Ditch the guessing game and consult your owner's manual for the exact recommended PSI for your truck's weight and typical usage. Overinflated tires wear unevenly, while underinflated ones are prone to blowouts and decrease fuel efficiency. Eagle eyes on the lookout. Regularly inspect your tires for any cuts, bulges, or uneven wear on the tread. Remember, even a small chunk can indicate internal damage and lead to a bigger problem down the road. Rotation is your friend. Regularly rotating your tires ensures even wear and extends their lifespan. Consult your owner's manual for the recommended rotation schedule for your specific truck. Torque it right. When tightening lug nuts, use a torque wrench to ensure they're all secured to the proper tightness. This prevents them from loosening up while you're cruising and avoids potential safety hazards. Don't forget the spare. Your spare tire is your lifeline in case of a flat. Make sure it's properly inflated and in good condition, ready to roll when you need it most. Engine compartment checks, keeping the heart of your truck healthy. Just like your own heart, your truck's engine needs regular checkups to stay healthy. Here's what to keep an eye on. Battery power. A weak battery can leave you stranded. Test your battery voltage regularly and clean the terminals to ensure a good connection. Coolant check. This vital fluid regulates engine temperature. Refer to your owner's manual for the proper way to check the coolant level, especially when the engine is hot. Air you breathe. Dirty air filters restrict airflow to the engine, reducing performance and fuel efficiency. Replace your air filter according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Oil change, not a chore. Engine oil lubricates moving parts and prevents wear. Change your oil and filter at the intervals specified in your owner's manual, using the recommended oil type for your engine. Transmission fluid. This fluid keeps your transmission running smoothly. Check the fluid level and condition according to your owner's manual, and don't forget about periodic replacements as recommended. Eagle eye inspection. Take a peek under the hood for any leaks, loose hoses, or cracked belts. Early detection can save you from major problems down the road. Brake fluid. Low brake fluid can indicate worn brake pads. Regularly check the fluid level and refer to your owner's manual for recommended replacement intervals. Remember, these are just some of the essential checks to keep your truck running like a champ. Always consult your owner's manual for specific recommendations and maintenance schedules for your particular truck model. By following these tips and taking good care of your truck, you can ensure it's always ready for your next adventure, whether it's conquering a challenging trail or simply cruising down the highway. Alright gearheads, halfway through this maintenance marathon, and I'm starting to feel like a certified mechanic myself. How about you? Feeling confident enough to tackle your own truck, or are you still hiding under the bed with a wrench in one hand and a panicked Google search in the other? No judgment here, but remember, knowledge is power, and a little DIY can save you a lot of dough and maybe some sweat in the long run. So, stick around and let's keep this truck-loving party rolling. We've tackled the heart of the beast, but a healthy truck is more than just a purring engine. Let's ensure your rig shines both literally and figuratively with these essential checks. Lights and electrical, illuminating the way. Your truck isn't just a personal chariot, it's a participant on the road, and proper lighting is crucial for safety. Don't be the guy leaving everyone in the dark. Regularly check all your lights, including headlights and taillights. These are the beacons guiding you and others on the road. Ensure they're bright and functioning correctly. Turn signals and brake lights. Communication is key, especially on the road. Make sure your turn signals and brake lights are working flawlessly to avoid any misunderstandings. Additional truck-specific lights. Depending on your truck's purpose and modifications, you might have additional lighting like fog lights, work lights, or even off-road spotlights. Check them all for proper functionality. Remember, a quick visual inspection and testing with a friend can save you from potential tickets and accidents. Now let's get down and dirty, literally. Safely getting under your truck, using jack stands and following proper safety protocols, of course, allows you to inspect some hidden gems and potential trouble spots. Here's what to look for. Leaks. Keep an eye out for any drips or stains that might indicate fluid leaks from the engine, transmission, differential, or other components. Early detection can prevent major issues down the road. Loose components. Look for any loose bolts, nuts, or suspension parts. Yellow dust around fasteners can be a sign of potential loosening. Remember, a tight truck is a happy truck. Suspension components. Check the condition of your shock absorbers, control arms, and other suspension parts for any wear or damage. A smooth ride starts with a healthy suspension system. Differentials and transfer case. These components are crucial for power distribution, especially in four-wheel drive trucks. Check for leaks and proper fluid levels according to your owner's manual. Exhaust system. Inspect the exhaust system for leaks, cracks, or excessive rust. A compromised exhaust system can affect performance and even pose safety hazards. Front differential. Don't forget about the front differential, especially in four-wheel drive trucks. Check for leaks and proper fluid levels as per your owner's manual. Pro tip. Use cardboard like a detective's magnifying glass. Place it under suspected leak areas and check for stains to pinpoint the culprit. While we've covered the major areas, a truly well-maintained truck deserves some extra TLC wiper blades. These warriors battle the elements to keep your vision clear. Replace them twice a year, or more often if they show signs of wear or streaking. Tow hitch. If you're the hauling kind, ensure your tow hitch is securely attached and free from rust. A secure hitch is essential for safe towing. Electrical connections. Clean and apply grease to electrical connections to prevent corrosion and ensure smooth functioning. Remember, these are just some of the essential checks to keep your truck running smoothly and safely. Always consult your owner's manual for specific recommendations and maintenance schedules for your particular truck model. By following these tips and giving your truck the love it deserves, you can ensure it's a reliable companion for every adventure, big or small. Alright, gearheads, that's it for this round of truck TLC. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your truck happy and healthy. And hey, if you learned something valuable or at least got a chuckle out of this grease-stained adventure, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the Car Computer Exchange channel for more automotive wisdom and maybe even a few laughs along the way. Until next time, keep your trucks roaring and your wallets happy.